Thinking of extending your pool season without burning a hole in your wallet? Today, we're counting down the best pool heat pumps on the market, from budget-friendly picks to powerful performers that can handle even the biggest backyard pools. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the VARMINPOOL 16,000 BTU heat pump. This one is the baby of the bunch, designed specifically for small above-ground pools. If your pool is on the smaller side and you're looking for something compact, efficient, and easy to use, this model is a strong entry-level option. Despite its modest size, it still comes with some surprisingly nice features. The titanium spiral heat exchanger offers solid durability, and it's compatible with salt water, always a bonus. Plus, the fact that you can control it through an app on your phone adds a modern, convenient touch that's not always guaranteed at this price point. For casual users or new pool owners, that simplicity is definitely appealing. But let's be real, it's limited. You can't cool the water, and anything over 5,400 gallons is going to be too much for this little guy to handle. If you've got a larger or in-ground pool, or if you want dual heating and cooling, this isn't going to cut it. You'll want to look further up the list for something with more muscle. If you've got a small pool and you're after a straightforward, no-fuss heater that won't break the bank, this is a great place to start. Oh, and if you're interested, links to every product in this review, all at the best prices I could find, are down in the description below. At number 4, we've got the Aquastrong 18,000 BTU heat pump. This one steps things up just a bit, perfect for slightly bigger pools and folks who want both heating and cooling options. It's still not a powerhouse, but it adds a bit more flexibility without complicating things. It handles pools up to 6,500 gallons and adds dual mode temperature control, meaning you're not just stuck with heating. When it's boiling hot in July, you can actually use this to cool things down too. That's something the previous model just can't do. And it runs off a standard 120-volt outlet, so setup should be simple for most people. However, it's still not ideal for anything beyond medium-sized pools. And while it does add that cooling function, it lacks some of the convenience of the more premium models. We're talking no Wi-Fi, no app, just basic manual controls. It does its job, but it's not going to blow your mind. If you want to step up from the entry-level zone without spending a fortune, this is a smart choice. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Landing in 3rd place is the Aquastrong 35,000 BTU model. This is where things start getting serious. It's like the bigger sibling of the previous Aquastrong, bringing more heating power and a more versatile control system to the table. With support for pools up to 9,000 gallons and full dual mode capability, this unit is great for mid-sized pools that need year-round comfort. The Wi-Fi enabled timer control is a standout. It gives you the ability to manage your pool temperature remotely and schedule usage, which adds a whole new level of convenience. On the flip side, if you've got a very large pool, 35,000 BTUs might still fall short. It's efficient and reliable, but not quite strong enough for big in-ground setups. Also, while it does offer Wi-Fi, it's more of a timer-based interface rather than a full app control, which may feel a little limited compared to more advanced models. Still, for mid-sized pool owners who want decent heating and cooling with modern controls, this one hits the sweet spot. Up next, we're entering high-performance territory with serious power and pro-level features. In 2nd place, we've got the VARMINPOOL 40,000 BTU model, and this one means business. Designed for larger above-ground or small in-ground pools, it brings a lot of heat and cool to the table, with a solid build and efficient performance. With dual heating and cooling functionality, you get control year-round, no matter the season. It's got a durable titanium heat exchanger that handles salt water with ease, and the digital thermostat with LCD display makes setting and monitoring your temperature in a breeze. Plus, with support up to 12,000 gallons, it covers a good chunk of residential pool setups. Now, keep in mind, it does require a 220-volt connection, which means some homeowners might need a bit of electrical work to get it up and running. It's also a bit bulkier and heavier than the smaller models, so you'll need a bit of space and a solid installation plan. But If you want serious performance with modern features and dual-mode flexibility, this one delivers. It's a step up in both power and convenience, and for many pool owners, it's probably the most balanced option on this list. And in the number 1 spot is the FibroPool FH270, the heavyweight champ of this lineup. If you've got a big pool and you're looking for maximum heating power, this is the one to beat. With a massive 70,000 BTUs of heating capacity, the FH270 is built for large in-ground pools or anyone who just wants the water warm fast. It's incredibly efficient, with a high-performance design that helps you save on energy costs over time. It features a titanium heat exchanger that's tough enough for salt water and a sleek, weather-resistant chassis that's built to last. The digital controller is simple and intuitive, and it even has an optional extension cable so you can mount it where you want. Now, here's the one catch. It doesn't do cooling. This is a heater-only unit, so if you're looking for year-round climate control, this might not be the right fit. And like the VARMINPOOL, it runs on a 208 to 240 volt system, so make sure your electrical setup is ready for that. But when it comes to pure heating power and energy efficiency, the FH270 is in a league of its own. If you're serious about keeping your pool warm, this is the top choice. Ready to upgrade your pool setup? Check out all the links in the description below to grab the best deals on each of these heat pumps. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more smart home reviews and buyer's guides.